I'm back. You can't stop me. I think, I don't know, neighbors. Neighbors are the enemy of the YouTuber. There. This is a video I kind of wanted to make, kind of. One of my critics said, don't try to be funny. Well, I can try. I may not be funny, but I can try. Suck it. Respectfully. Let's just talk about something really quick. I'm going to tell you something. Let me tell you, put it to you like this. Yeah. This is the MAKITA case. Check it. Check it. Check it out. I want to show you some differences between these two kind of semi-comparable cases. I'll make a case for one or the other. I've got the DEWALT case. It's not as deep. It's kind of shallow. If you like black and yellow, this is your thing. If you like blue, this is your thing. If you like, let me tell you something, folks. Both hold a sufficient amount of snacks. You're covered on the job, right? These cute little bins, they come out. They're removable. You could take them out. You could put other things in there, but you're going to be able to hold more stuff in the MAKITA case. If you like opening things to the side, MAKITA's got you covered. You open it this way. They're both lined with rubber, so they're going to repel the waters, right? Rubber. You got one big fat latch, two latches. They both come from China. Oh, they come from China. Quite frankly, these cases are from China. They're tremendous. Deeper. Okay, look, check this out. Check it, yo. As the rappers would say. These bins, these little guys, they're deep. You got a deeper box. You got 8 of these guys, these cubicles. You've got 2 of these little guys. Look at that. You can put stuff in them, right? Chicken nuggets, fruit roll-ups, or whatever. Look, see? You got one of those guys. So you got 2 of the longer ones, one really long one, 8 of the cubicles. You put a lot of stuff in there. And if you decide to pull it out, well, big problem here. If you if you decide to pull it out, you want to pull it out and put something in there, you got much more room. If you're going to pull all these bins out of the DEWALT, right? Look at this, already it's harder to handle. You try to pull these out, pull out these guys, you've got, well, you know, 8 of the cubicles and then just 2 of these little bigger ones. You see that? Well, things are going to, worlds are colliding now. But if you try to pull it out, check it out. Check this out right now. Gonna create a mess, There we go. Try to pull it out. You've got this plastic thing you gotta deal with. I've seen somebody mod it where they just cut it out with like a grinder or something. You know, R. Kelly's favorite tool, the grinder. He don't see something, he don't see nothing wrong with it. The grinder. If you like opening things on the end, these are for you. Now, I know people I work with that have taken these and they've screwed them on to a little shelving in their truck, so they have these little holders. Not a bad idea. I think little parts, little things for work. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You know, the handle is ergonomically correct. The handle feels pretty good with the MAKITA, but the handle for the DEWALT feels amazing. It's like, quite frankly, the greatest handle. Oh, it's so good. Get a handle on it. Enough of my stupid impressions. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, ooh, oh yeah. Oh. Let me tell you something. I'm going to talk real quick. I'm going to talk about something. Okay, so see, look at it, lo and behold them, look at them, just look at them. Look. Are you looking? Right there, look it. Just look. If you like things that slide, snap right on top, stack them up, DEWALT. If you like boxes that go onto a big rolling box and you slide them all onto each other, you like sliding things, you like things that slide, MAKITA. If you like blue, MAKITA. They say this is from the USA. I think it's from Qingdao. I don't think it's from the USA, but they say it is. So if you want to feel good about yourself and having a USA product that supposedly is from the USA, go with the MAKITA. If you don't care the country China, the DEWALT is wonderful. It's beautiful. Now, a lot of people like the Milwaukee stuff, those Milwaukee soy boys. I like that. It's red. Now, one nice thing is Milwaukee comes with, they have, you know, it's the pack out. they have one, it's a first aid kit in the pack out case. Now, why can't Makita or DEWALT or someone else do that? Because I would buy it. I can't remember who it was commented and said, you need to not try to be funny. You need to just give us the facts, man. It's probably a woodworker. Woodworkers. The woodworkers, they do like their facts. Mama taught them well, I guess. Just the facts. Get to the point. DEWALT has more of a selection than Makita. But I like the Makita plastic. It feels good. It's just not as practical for the applications that I've got them for. I'd like the DEWALT T-Stack. I really do. That is what I take to work with me mostly. I have that in the Makita. I want to put this stuff in there. I just don't know if I can do it yet. The T-Stack stuff is where it's at for me. I know people say, oh, it's so cheap. It fits in my truck perfectly. They got the mounting bases. It's beautiful in my truck, quite frankly. It's wonderful. And it saves me time on the job. I know where something is. I know what drawer it's in. I go and grab it. Boom, I got it. There's no fight, no fuss, no arguing. It's there. I grab it. I use it. I close the drawer. With this stuff, it's like, well, okay, do I have it in a drawer? Oh, is it underneath it? Okay, I got to pull a drawer off, and I got to pull the case off to get to this one. And, oh, it's not in that one. Not as convenient. This stuff is wonderful. I just need bases to put it in my truck because I don't want it sliding around. When I had it in my truck, it was sliding around. I'd take it out because I don't have anything to attach. I think on Etsy they make something that you can put in there. I got the DXL rolling base. My wife calls it a scooter. Maybe something like that. I could put it on that. But you're spending, what, $180, $200 a base. Pull the wheels off, and that's expensive. And I am kind of poor. So this is kind of my video. You can take it or not, and I don't really care. There's a little bit of knowledge in here. The rest of it's whatever. Quite frankly, it's okay. Why aren't you buying this stuff? Give it a try. You got a few dollars lying around? Buy a case. Tell me you like it or you hate it. Tell me something other than, don't try to be funny. I figure I am who I am. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. And if I go down to 0 subscribers, I still just want to create stuff. So I appreciate the trying to steer me into a certain direction. I just don't think I can go there. I think I just as soon quit as try to be serious all the time. I don't think I have it in me. So for as long as I'm still around on this earth till God either strikes me dead or lets me die, this is it. MAKITA out.